Right. I've got now a Bangalore boy with me, Wing Commander Arjun Patel. Very interesting story. Those who have watched the Republic Day story on Tejas, the first squadron, done many years back, he was there. And very interesting thing of Arjun that he came along with his mother in 1998 to watch Aero India, and you were there in which you were in college school.
I was in school, sir.
School
Must be
boy in
seventh standard
1990.
probably. Must be 7th standard probably.
7th standard student. He got inspired by this show, and within couple of years he was in Air Force. Now 17 years in Air Force. Have flown the MiGs. Then uske baad
MiG-21, MiG-27
and
Tejas.
then Tejas was in Bangalore, then went to Sulur, and now flying as the number 5, right?
Correct, sir. Surya Kiran 5 in Surya
Surya
Kiran
Kiran 5, the aerobatic team. Arjun, lot of technology, pilot related stories I can ask.
Yes, sir.
But what is that every time you come to Aero India? Do you have those memories of that 7th standard student holding mama's hand, and suddenly now I can see everybody wants to take a photo with you?
Yes, sir. Bangalore is home, and definitely Aero India is second home. And Aero India, Bangalore both put together is home. And coming here with my parents, with my mother and father, is it all put together, all sets together. It forms home, and it's a very special and elated feeling that I'm getting to fly here 27 years later with Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team.
Right, and you know today at the show. It was a full aerobatic display, right?
Correct.
So when you say full aerobatic display, what I'm not sure how many people will understand.
Okay.
Could you explain it? What
Definitely, sir. Like our full display is about 25 to 30 minutes. Our full display involves 2 phases, that is composite and synchro. Very layman's term, when you see all 9 aircraft flying together, forming various formations, we call it as the composite phase. And those who've seen the display, after about half the duration, we split into 2 to 3 elements, and we do much more adrenaline gushing and exciting maneuvers. The crosses, the alpha cross, the heart, the corkscrew, the famous DNA maneuver and all that, that forms a part of the synchro phase. So our full profile is meant to enthrall all kinds of audience, and that's what Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team is all about. And we are also known as the ambassadors of the Indian Air Force.
Yes, ambassadors of Indian Air Force, and I have been a part of this particular team right from its inception. Lot of behind the stories. When I write a book, perhaps I will write amazing. Especially, I want to write a chapter on the story behind the smoke winders. Kind of weight you guys have to do. But finally, it looks amazing with those no smoke winders, right?
Yes, sir. Right now we have both. You must have seen, like, this is the first Aero India we've been doing with the tricolor. So we've got the tricolor back into the skies of Aero India, and the SCAT is now fully ready to dispense the Tiranga.
A fighter jet can fly anything, because that's the way you guys have trained.
Correct.
But I want to ask you, having flown the fighters, all that, what does it mean? What is the difference, when you fly into a team, right? And especially a team like SCAT, there is, there is a lot of risk involved.
Correct, sir.
And so can you just explain a bit on that?
Yes, sir. The most important thing about formation aerobatics is discipline and team spirit. That is what we always carry in Surya Kiran Aerobatic Team. It is not a one-man show. It is not about your individual skills. It is flying together as a team and being a part of the team. You need to learn to take orders, learn to listen to instructions before you can lead them. And so that is what Surya Kiran is all about in a nutshell. It is discipline, safety and teamwork.
Discipline, safety and teamwork. I am letting Arjun go. I wanted to actually talk, but I know that he's tired, and it's going to be hectic days ahead. 2 flying sessions from day after tomorrow onwards. Look at behind, the most crowded stall, the Surya Kiran stall. People have been buying lot of trophies, lot of things. Amazing way of promoting Air Force, promoting the aviation spirit. Arjun's story is so inspiring because when you see youngsters coming here, when you see their parents explaining them, I saw some photos, I took some photos of scientists explaining to youngsters. You will never know all these small things will impact into making a fighter pilot or in any streams. We will come back to you, Arjun. Very proud of you, and look what I got. You call it as what?
This is my position patch, sir.
Yeah, position patch. So this will get into my very special collections, and I don't have much, but Arjun was very kind enough. Very proud of you, Arjun. We will meet again to capture some other story of yours and also your team.
Yes, thank you so much, sir.
Jai Hind.
Thank you, Jai Hind, sir.